Okay, I am going to attempt to do a marathon and get some of this on camera if the camera will cooperate with me. We have been having technical issues for most of the week, and I've just kind of twiddled my thumbs all week long trying to figure it out. Toss something out of the way, a ball of yarn, and it rolled right back. Okay, so far all I have done, took these little stocking shapes and buttonhole stitched them together and added a top to them. Found those in my stash the other day and was like, oh, I forgot about these. So I'm going to use one as one of my finishes. And I decided that we needed a little puppy. So I am just going to, real quick and dirty, trim him up. This would make a real quick, easy if you had good handwriting to write the new puppy's name on the stocking. For his first Christmas stocking. Sometimes felt glues really easily, and sometimes it is persnickety as all get out. Not doing much to it. I did most of the work getting the stocking ready. I might come back and do a little toe on the end. I haven't made up my mind, but quick and dirty. My name is Sarah and I go by the Thrifty Crafty Stitcher. I hope you're enjoying the series that we are currently doing, and I think I'll go till the end of the month, so we still have quite a few finishes coming. But if there's anything you particularly want to see, I'll see about getting it up there. Let me know. Bye-bye.